Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the Metal Farm blueprint in Subnautica 2. To get the Metal Farm blueprint, start from the research outpost located about 1,300 meters east of your life pod near the alien ruins. From the outpost, face a heading of 105 degrees on your compass and begin descending. It's highly recommended to install the tadpole depth module first, since you'll be traveling into much deeper waters. When you reach the central pillar of the alien power plant, continue downward until you reach the Angel Comb below. Follow its large purple route that extends to the northeast. Keep an eye on your depth gauge to avoid damaging your tadpole as you descend. At the end of the route, face the direction between north and northeast, and you'll spot a green glowing area in the distance. That's the Metal Farm's biome. Stay as low as possible while maintaining a safe operating depth to reduce your chances of attracting the collector leviathans swimming above. The tall steel pillar-like structures scattered throughout the area are the Metal Farms. Pull out your scanner and scan 3 of them to unlock the blueprint. After that, return to your base and build Metal Farms using your habitat builder under the Cultivation tab. They let you cultivate valuable metals, especially troilite, one of the game's limited endgame resources. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.